How to purchase VIP in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a premium or purchase a VIP pass. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this Me icon. Simply tap on this Me icon. Now here on the top, there's an option called Purchase VIP. Simply tap on Purchase VIP. So this will take you to a different interface. So here you'll be able to see different privileges by which you can get VIP. So here on the top you can see different things and different modes that you can select. Here on the bottom, simply tap on Purchase. Now after doing that, you'll be able to add your debit or credit card, and later it will directly deduct the amount which you want to purchase. So here simply select the one and tap on Purchase. So make sure here you're using your real money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.